Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Today, we'll talk about modern outdoor patio ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. In the heart of a bustling city or the quiet suburbs, a small modern outdoor patio can be a serene escape, especially when adorned with the charming elements of French country themes. This design style, known for its rustic elegance, brings a touch of the provincial countryside to any outdoor space. The essence of a French country-themed patio lies in its warm and welcoming vibe. To achieve this, select furniture that embodies the rustic charm of the French countryside. Wrought iron chairs with curvilinear forms, paired with a distressed wooden table, can serve as the centerpiece. Cushions covered in toile or gingham add comfort and visual interest, inviting guests to sit back and relax. Soft throws and pillows in shades of cream, lavender, and sage green can be scattered to soften the space and provide warmth on cooler evenings. A true French country patio is a celebration of nature. Potted plants like lavender, sage, and thyme not only add greenery but also bring in the delightful sense of the French outdoors. Consider adding a small water feature, like a fountain or bird bath, to introduce the soothing sound of water. Climbing roses or jasmine on a trellis can create a natural, fragrant wall that enhances privacy and adds vertical interest to the space. Proper lighting is crucial for setting the mood. Soft, diffused lighting from vintage-style lanterns or strings of fairy lights can mimic the starlit skies of the French countryside. Decorative touches like an antique French pitcher filled with fresh flowers, or a vintage wrought iron candle holder, can add character and a sense of history to your modern patio. A weathered garden bench or a stone statue can serve as a focal point and conversation starter. When space is at a premium, every choice counts. Opt for a foldable bistro set that can be tucked away when more room is needed. Wall-mounted shelves or hooks can hold plants and lanterns without taking up valuable floor space. A mirror hung on the wall can visually expand the area and reflect light, making the patio feel larger and more open. To marry modern design with rustic French country elements, focus on blending textures and materials. Sleek, contemporary lines in the layout can be softened with rustic textures like wicker or rattan. Incorporate modern amenities like a sleek, stainless steel grill or outdoor bar, ensuring they complement rather than clash with the rustic surroundings. The key is to strike a balance that feels both fresh and timeless. Designing a small modern outdoor patio with French country themes is all about balancing old-world charm with contemporary convenience. By thoughtfully selecting furniture, accessories, and plants that reflect the rustic elegance of the French countryside, you can create an outdoor space that is both functional and enchanting, a perfect backdrop for making memories with friends and family. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a modern outdoor patio ideas. Thank you.